Welcome to Strange Sounds, the iDoser.com series about strange, supernatural, or odd audio. Get ready to be amazed. Scientists have resurrected the voice of a 3,000-year-old Egyptian mummy. Using advanced 3D printing and vocal synthesis technology, researchers in England recreated his vocal tract, fulfilling his ancient wish to speak after death. This groundbreaking fusion of history and innovation lets us hear the actual sound of a mummified priest from the time of the pharaohs. Experience the past come alive as we play his voice.